This is the ceramic kitchen honing rod from WorkSharp. Today, we're going to look at what comes in the package and how to get set up and use your new honing rod. This one's pretty straightforward. The honing rod comes inside the package, and printed on the packaging are instructions for how to use it. The ceramic kitchen honing rod uses a premium fine ceramic to sharpen and hone knives, 2 angle guides to guide your knife at 20 degrees, and a nice rubber tip at the end of the honing rod. Here's how we recommend using your sharpener. Rest the sharpener tip down on a stable surface, like a countertop, or I prefer a cutting board. Rest the knife on the angle guide that you see built into the handle here. Then draw your knife down from heel to tip, running along the ceramic abrasive. Alternate sides, one side, then the other. Repeat this 10 to 20 times. The ceramic rod is intended as a honing tool, something to maintain your knives on a daily basis. It's not a complete sharpener. If you've got very dull knives, you'll need a more aggressive sharpener to remove material and reestablish the cutting edge. Then, use the ceramic honing rod daily to keep that edge sharp. Every WorkSharp sharpener comes with a 3-year warranty and world-class customer service. If you have any questions, you can find us at WorkSharp Tools. Thanks for watching.